Welcome to another video in the Switch How-To series. This video will teach you how to sign up for Switch Pay and complete the initial identity verification. First, click the button at the top for buy and sell crypto. There are two options here. If you select, I'm only using this once, you will be directed right to the Switch Pay page. If you select, I will be using this multiple times, you will see some information about the Switch Trade platform and a button to redirect you to try the Switch Trade wallet. You can also scroll down and click Continue with Switch Pay. Now you will enter your full name as it appears on your ID. Enter your email and phone number here as well. You may see some repetitiveness with the personal information being entered. Our team is working to streamline this. Next, you'll be able to enter the amount in fiat you would like to purchase. Select the drop-down next to USD to change the currency. Click the drop-down next to the crypto you want to buy and select the appropriate token. Then, click Continue. It will ask you to enter your email again. When you click Continue, this will send a 5-digit code to your email address. Enter this code on the next page. Now you will enter your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. This is used to verify your identity to meet compliance regulations. Start to type the billing address associated with the card that you intend to use. Select the correct address from the drop-down menu, then confirm the entry on the next page. Type in your phone number again for a 5-digit code to be texted to you. Enter that code on the next page after clicking Continue. The last step will have you take a picture of your government ID and a scan of your face as well. Choose to proceed using a mobile device for the best results. We will go over this in a separate video. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you on the next one.